summer. What the hell?
Stop it! What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing? Oh God. Just hold on it. Oh God, I saw it move!
Welcome to your new career as a performer/entertainer for Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. These tapes will provide you...
What do I do?
Oh. Okay, what the fuck? Yo, wait, I'm still alive? What's going on? What's happening?
These tapes will provide you...
What's going on?
...needed
Hey,
information on how to
what's going on? Fix the ventilation.
...climb out of...
What's happening?
Jake, you can't fucking do that. You can't put your own game as a historic reference in your...
Audio training cassettes. Dude, these are like prehistoric. I think there were like 50 tapes.
What the hell? Reboot. Hey, I see him. How do I saw that. Oh, don't think I didn't see that, mate. I fucking saw you there, bloody wanker.
Clues, please.
How do you get rid of it?
What do we do to defend ourselves?
Click it, shoot it.
Just like freaking bang, bang, bang. Jesus
What
Christ.
is that?
What'd I do? I don't know. What do we do? I don't know.
Oh my God, ventilation. What are you doing? What are you doing there, Mr. Freddy Fazbear?
I have not seen him on the cameras other than...
Oh, Jesus!
I imagine at least. Oh my God!
It's walking towards you now. Went away.
Double is both animal...
Oh, shit, he's there. No. Close the door. No. There's no door. What do I do?
We will cover this in more detail in tomorrow's session. Remember to smile.
What the fuck is that? What is happening?
The time.
Uh-oh. God! Go to Cam 1. This is where the bad stuff happens. What?
And it just gallops through a meadow. What was that?
Oh, God, you fuck!
Spring locks are fastened tight to ensure the animatronic devices remain safe. We will cover this in more detail in tomorrow's session. Remember to smile. You are the face of Freddy Fazbear's Pizza.
Y me está observando. ¡Ay! Coño, madre.
The animatronic devices. We will cover this in more detail in tomorrow's session. Remember to smile. You are the face of Freddy Fazbear's Pizza.
How you doing, bro? How do I make you leave? No! That bitch is walking over here! Hold on! I saw that bitch walk!
I'm already panicking, man.
Oh! Jesus. What the fuck was that?
Currently playing 5. Oh shit, I missed the jump scare. Don't stop. It's 5. Oh no! I think we lost that time.
Oh crap, go. Oh. You scared the crap out of me. This thing is stuck on my screen. Okay. Oh shit, he got me!
Fuck you, balloon boy! Go away!
Rectum!
Yeesh! Fuck you, balloon boy! Go away!
Rectum!
Yeesh!
Oh shit! What the fuck was that?
Stop! Do it! Stop!
It's like a bomb. Oh my god!
Come on, go away! Good for me, for some reason. Fuck that! What was that?
Freddy Pushy, what the hell was that?
Oh, fuck, what was that?
Ow! What the fuck was that?
So far, so good. Holy, what was that?
I'm just like anticipating.
Shit! What the hell was that? What the fuck? That was a little
I
one.
might deck this screen
What
at
was
some point.
that?
Oh, hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. What the frick was that?
O sea, no sé si me entiendo, ¿no? A ver, vamos a ver atrás.
Would you that?
Oh, shit! Oh, you son of a bitch! Oh my god!
Didn't hear breathing.
I don't like the listening thing.
Never usually that bad in any of the games, so I'll play through. What the fuck? Oh!
Is he gone down? Oh, there was something there. Go away, please.
Oh my god, what the hell was that? What the
What is that? Where are you?
Is he back? 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 Is he back?
4 a.m. We're doing fine. The night actually seems to be going quicker than the past nights. Probably because there's not as much. Was that breathing? Oh, I think that might have been breathing.
Oh, things are starting to move now. Oh my.
Oh, I think that might have been breathing.
Oh, things are starting to move now. Oh my.
Oh, God! What do we do there? My nigga, did I do it? Fucking shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, bruh! Oh, nigga, what?
There was something on the screen there. I saw it.
Oh!
Jesus Christ. The game just crashed.
Eso es 4 y si os estáis preguntando por qué tengo el pelo así, porque estoy peinado de esta manera, es porque...
¡Su puta madre!
I saw him! Oh god! No!
Ben seems a good guy.
Oh, fucking hell, what the hell?
No!
Ben seems a good guy.
Oh, fucking hell, what the hell?
Shit, oh my god, I fucking... Shit, delete... Shit, oh my god, I fuck...
Oh god, my flashlight's blinking. I don't know what to do. Something behind me. Oh god! I told you not to be having any orgies in my room!
Oh, fuck!
You gone? Ah! Thank you so much for subscribing. You are now an official masher. Thank you for subscribing.
They'll most likely see you as a metal endoskeleton without its costume on.
What the fuck does that mean? No! You sound you bitch!
Where the fuck was I just looking?
Oh no!
What the heck?
Fuck was I just looking?
Oh no!
What the heck? How did that happen? I don't think we did this correctly.
No, we did not.
Where is... The bear's gone! Oh, okay. All right. Oh, God. Oh, no! No!
Where'd he go? Motherfucker, where'd you go?
Now the two of them are gone. There you fucking are. What are you doing in there? You are up and you are. Oh, fucking me! Oh my god. There you fucking are. What are you doing in there? You are up and you are. Oh, fucking me!
Michael.
God damn it.
Find him.
Oh, shit! Oh, shit.
Hey, you remember?
Oh, God! Oh, my God! Shut the door! Good shit!
Hey, you remember?
We're not opening the door.
Oh, no. Oh, I think I made it. Oh, God! Shit!
Hey, you remember?
Oh, God! Oh, my God! Shut the door!
20% left.
What the fuck? Fuck you! Oh! The duck is gone!
No!
Oh, my God!
Nope, you ain't scaring me. Oh, no, okay.
4 a.m. It's been 4 a.m. for like 5 fucking minutes.